So those were some of the reactions from members of the general public in the public transport, also telling us about how their personal economies have been affected or impacted by the increasing cost of living. Now, today, the Bank of Ghana, in fact, the governor, announced an increase in the policy rate from 17% to 19%. That's 200 basis points. Let's look at the trends beginning January, right? Take a look at this. It was about 14.5. That's what we started the year with, right? It went up to 17% in March. Then in May, we're looking at 19%. That's between January and May, we have seen a 450% basis point increase in the policy rates. That's 4.5% in the policy rate increase between January and now. Now, we'll get into the reasons and what has led to what we are seeing now. But here's what this means. If you're a trader and you've taken loans or any form of credit from any financial institution in this country, you have to pay more than what you were paying in interest in December 2021. And coupled with the issues that traders who import into this country have to deal with, the depreciation of the cedi, meaning that they have to use more cedis to import less goods because they have to convert into major trading currencies like the dollar. But they will also have to pay more in terms of the interest on the credit and the loans that they have taken. But can traders pass on this cost to consumers? That's another question, because consumers are also complaining about not having money. I've been joined in studio by Mr. Philip Abredu Otu, who is the Director of Research at the Bank of Ghana. Yeah, they announced the policy rate earlier today. Mr. Otu, good evening to you. Thank you very much for joining us this evening.
Good evening.
It's good to have you. First of all, let's understand this. The rising inflation earlier, I heard the governor talk about it being a surprise to you, but then again, you had measures put in place to deal with this decisively. How did that not get in terms of your analysis and anticipation with the research that you've been doing at the Bank of Ghana over the period?
Well, thank you very much. I think the governor understood clearly that inflation was going to go up, but I think the issue, the surprise was on the magnitude. In the bank and in the work that we've done, there are a multiplicity of factors that have impacted inflation over the past 1 year. I think it started somewhere around August and September of 2021 when food prices started going up. Mm-hmm. And food prices started going up because of the issues that we had on the global stage as far as food was concerned. And again, we also had our own fair share of climatic factors that impacted on food prices here. We had a lean season, we had low rainfalls in the first quarter, second quarter of 2021, so food prices pushed up. And just when we thought that the COVID and its issues were over, then comes the RU war, mm-hmm. Okay, the Russian-Ukraine war.
Okay.